Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Love Lawns. My name is Kai and this is the Makita XGT 534 21-inch self-propelled battery powered mower, and we've had this for about just over a week now as a trial from Makita. Thank you guys, really appreciate it. And I've got to tell you, this mower is very good. I haven't come across anything that I don't like about it yet, and I recently did a review or a video on why we're not keeping the Ego mower, snippy and blower, and it's partly because of this. This is hands down heaps better than the Ego mower. It's heaps better than any other battery mower I've used, including the Propelled, which is the other, $5,000 mower by the time you put a battery on it. I think this one with the bigger battery will come in at about $3,000. But that's all day use, so. Currently this one is the twin battery, so you put two 8 amp hours in there, and it does use quite a bit of battery, so you would need a few of them or the bigger battery. But it's built well, it's nice and simple to use, lets you self-propelled forward, you engage the blades here, speed control on the left here, and everything's pretty solid. It's built kind of tank-like-ish, not quite Honda tank-like, but not far off. It's got a steel deck, it's got the swing back blades, which are far more impressive than the bar on the Select Cut Ego mower and most of the other battery mowers that have just got one bar. This is actually a commercial mower and I'm really impressed with it. 70-litre catcher, nice and easy to lift in and out, no annoying bars in the way, and I also like the fact that you can see. This little flap here tells you whether it's full, but you can also open it and see without having to take the bag off. With the self-propelled motor, when it's engaged, you can let go and pull it back instantly. There's no delay, there's no lag, there's no wait, which is amazing. Most of the other ones have a wait of a second or two before you can disengage the motor and pull it backwards. That's really frustrating. This doesn't do that, which is great. That alone really sells it for me. But the power of this as well, like I did a video comparing this to the Ego recently, and I'm saying the Ego mower because that's quite a popular battery mower that a lot of people like, but this thing is hands down better. It's in a different league altogether. So power, this just roars through pretty much anything. Very similar, if not more power than the Honda HRU 216, which is a 13 Newton, I think, petrol mower that's built like a tank. It's a commercial mower. This is the same, but it's battery powered, so it's quiet. There's no fumes, no vibrations. You've got your on-off button here as well, so you have to turn it on before you can use it, which is great. I quite often have the Ego out there, and unless you twist the middle thing to turn it off, you hit the button and it's off it goes. I don't like that. Dedicated on-off button. All the Makita battery tools have that, which is fantastic. All battery powered tools should have an on-off button. You shouldn't be able to pick it up or push it by accident and it starts going. That's just ridiculous. So anyway, it's got height of cut from 20 mil up to 100 in 10 stages, which is fantastic. So 20 mil is pretty much just low enough. That's pretty good. 16 mil would be even better, but 20 mil is good. Most of the others go up to down to 25. So it's got big chunky wheels. It's a robust mower. I'm really impressed. You can fold the handles down for storage. yeah, I've got nothing bad to say about it. Like, well done, Makita. I'll be buying one of these for sure. Yeah, it's just great. It works exactly how you'd expect it. I do wish, one little niggle, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but they've cut away the bar here so you can hang on to these and let go of this, but they haven't done it on this side. So if you turn in the other way and you go to push it in, it gets your fingers. I wish they'd done the same. Very small, but something for version 2, if anyone's listening. What else? Any other improvements? Other than battery life, which it does eat up a bit of battery, I'll be honest, but that's because it's powerful, I guess, and I use it with the self-propelled all the time. But if you get the big battery on there, like the backpack style battery, I don't think you'd have any dramas. Yeah, nothing bad to say about it. I love it. It's a great mower. Other than that thing on the bar there, everything else works great. A little bit more power would be nice. Like, I think it's 2800 it spins at. 3200 might be nice as an option, but I'm happy with how it works. It's great. It mulches well, it collects well. Yeah, it's just a great mower. So yeah, that's my first impressions of the Makita 21-inch XGT mower. Brand new to the market. Really good, and we'll be getting one of these for sure, because it's like, I'll be sorry to see this go actually, and I've not really cared that much about previous battery mowers that I've used. So, but this one's good. Very, very good. Highly recommended from us. Thanks very much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Well done, Makita. Love it. See you on the next one.